How to transfer eFootball mobile account to PC. Hey everybody, if you guys are also wondering how to, in today's video we will be explaining for that. So first of all, you can just head over and create up a Konami ID for that. If you don't already have one, you can just go ahead and create one. You can just go ahead and look out for Konami website for that. Now, once you are headed over to the website, look out for the sign in option or a create option and just go ahead and create and log in into your account. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and open up the eFootball app on your mobile device and go to the My Club section within the application of eFootball. After that is done, you should be finding an option called Link Konami ID within your settings. Look out for that option on your screen and scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen once you do so. And on your PC, you can open up the eFootball game and go to settings and go to online settings. After that, look out for Link Konami ID and scan the QR code. And once linked, your eFootball points will be shared across both of the platforms. However, other items like players and coins will be remaining separate. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd like to transfer your eFootball mobile account to PC, you may just head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.